Efficient maritime logistics powers global trade, expertly handling container transport, cargo loading and unloading with precision, speed, and unwavering reliability. The construction of the Shanghai refrigerated cargo vessel represents a significant achievement in modern shipbuilding, combining advanced engineering with precise craftsmanship. Built by the China Shipbuilding Group, this vessel was officially launched during a dedicated ceremony, marking the culmination of months of meticulous assembly and testing. The ship's design prioritizes both capacity and efficiency, with cargo holds offering a total volume of 290 cubic meters, 290,000 cubic feet, allowing for the transport of perishable goods over long distances. The hull, meticulously fabricated from high-strength steel plates, extends to an overall length of 137.01 meters, with a length between perpendiculars of 130.50 meters. Its beam measures 20.50 meters, and the depth at the main deck level reaches 10.30 meters, providing a stable and spacious structure capable of handling heavy loads safely. Construction began with the assembly of the keel, which forms the backbone of the vessel. Large steel sections were welded together with precision, ensuring structural integrity throughout the hull. Modular construction techniques were employed, allowing various sections, such as the engine room, cargo holds, and accommodation areas, to be built simultaneously in separate fabrication zones. These modules were later lifted into place and joined, creating a seamless hull. Special attention was given to reinforcing the cargo hold walls and decks to maintain insulation for refrigerated storage, crucial for maintaining low temperatures during transit. The vessel's design draft is 7.10 meters, carefully calculated to balance cargo capacity and navigational flexibility in ports and shipping lanes. Its gross tonnage measures 7,176 g/t, reflecting the overall volume of enclosed spaces within the ship. This tonnage is complemented by an optimized hull form, reducing resistance and enabling efficient operation at a service speed of 15.4 knots. After the hull assembly, outfitting commenced, including the installation of refrigeration systems, piping networks, electrical wiring, navigation and communication equipment, and crew facilities. The main propulsion system and auxiliary machinery were installed in the engine room, tested, and integrated with control systems to ensure reliable performance. Simultaneously, the superstructure was completed, providing operational spaces and accommodations for the crew. Finally, rigorous trials were conducted, both in dock and at sea, to verify the vessel's performance, stability, and safety systems. Once all standards were met, the Shanghai was officially launched, ready to embark on its mission as a reliable refrigerated cargo carrier, capable of transporting perishable goods efficiently and safely across international waters. The construction of the Shanghai illustrates the high level of technical skill and coordination involved in modern shipbuilding, highlighting China Shipbuilding Group's expertise in delivering large, complex vessels on schedule and to precise specifications. An official ceremony took place in South Korea to mark the formal beginning of the construction of the Isle of Man Steam Packet Company's new flagship Ferry Manxman. This significant event, known as the Keel-laying ceremony, was held at the Hyundai Mipo dockyard in Ulsan on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December 2021. The keel-laying marks a major milestone in shipbuilding, representing the first step in assembling the vessel's backbone. Traditionally, this ceremony is believed to bring good luck to the ship and ensure a safe and successful life at sea. Attended by company officials, shipyard personnel, and invited guests, the event combined both formal proceedings and symbolic rituals. During the ceremony, the first section of the Manxman's keel was carefully positioned in the building dock, setting the foundation for the ship's hull and future structural components. The dockyard team meticulously aligned the keel, ensuring precision for the subsequent stages of construction. Following the ceremony, the construction process will continue with the assembly of modular blocks, installation of machinery, and outfitting of the ferry with advanced systems. The event highlighted the collaboration between the Isle of Man Steam Packet Company and Hyundai Mipo Dockyard, marking the start of a new era for the company's fleet. The construction of the Manxman has progressed rapidly, reaching a major milestone with the installation of all primary generation and propulsion equipment. At this stage, the vessel has been fully assembled up to the main vehicle deck, marking a critical point in her construction. Four main generators, Wärtsilä W31 engines, have been installed. These engines are recognized in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's most efficient four-stroke engines, highlighting the vessel's cutting-edge engineering. Both propulsion motors and the corresponding gearboxes have been carefully positioned and secured, ensuring precise alignment for optimal performance. The propeller shafting has also been installed, connecting the propulsion system to the vessel's stern for smooth and reliable operation. In addition, all high-voltage switchboards associated with the hybrid drive system are now in place, completing the electrical integration required for the vessel's energy-efficient operation. This phase demonstrates the seamless coordination of mechanical and electrical systems, preparing the Manxman for subsequent outfitting and commissioning, and bringing her closer to becoming the Isle of Man Steam Packet Company's flagship ferry. The loading operation at Chubu Ecotech demonstrates a careful and organized approach to containerized cargo handling. In this process, a Nissan forklift is used to lift and transport white bags that have been securely placed on wooden pallets. The forklift operator maneuvers the vehicle with precision to position the pallets inside a standard shipping container, ensuring optimal use of space and stability for transportation. Inside the container, a worker stands ready to guide the forklift and assist in arranging the cargo. This guidance ensures that each pallet is correctly aligned and stacked, reducing the risk of shifting during transit. The coordination between the forklift operator and the container worker is crucial for safety and efficiency, allowing the loading process to proceed smoothly. Once all pallets are placed, the container is checked to confirm that the cargo is secure and evenly distributed. This method of handling not only protects the products, but also streamlines the logistics process, making it ready for export and delivery to its destination. The Port of Long Beach proudly welcomes the TAQAH, the deepest draft tanker ever to call in the United States. Thanks to Endeavor technology, the vessel's safe draft has increased from 65 feet to 68.7 feet, allowing it to navigate the port's 76-foot main channel with ease. Setting a new record, the TAQAH unloaded 2.1 million barrels of crude in a single visit, enough to produce 42 million gallons of gasoline. This innovation reduces the number of ships needed, cutting emissions and promoting cleaner operations. The BrewerChair.com, a leading Italian manufacturer of Brewer-Schuska chairs and parts, values wood, metal, and natural cane as noble materials, reflected in the exceptional quality of every product. From sourcing to production, we honor nature and the craftsmanship behind our materials. Made in Italy with authentic solid beechwood and traditional caning, our chairs feature one-piece frames triple-coated in chrome for lasting durability. Since 1967, we deliver eco-friendly, high-quality, customizable furniture. At the Port of Montreal, container unloading operations are conducted with precision and efficiency to ensure smooth cargo handling. In this process, large straddle carriers maneuver along the container stacks, lifting and transporting containers from the storage yard onto waiting trailers. The containers, standardized in size, are carefully secured by the straddle carrier spreader, which locks onto the container's corner castings, allowing safe vertical lifting. Once lifted, the straddle carrier moves the container to a designated truck or trailer where it is positioned for onward transportation. The operation is coordinated meticulously to optimize space utilization and maintain the flow of incoming and outgoing shipments. Skilled operators monitor each movement, ensuring safety standards are upheld. This system enables the port to handle high volumes of cargo efficiently, maintaining Montreal's status as a major hub for international trade and logistics. Operating an STS gantry crane at the Port of Antwerp requires precision and skill to load a large vessel efficiently. The process begins with positioning the spreader. The operator uses the joystick and controls to move the spreader horizontally along the crane's jib, lowering it above the target container. In modern cranes, an auto-positioning feature can align the trolley directly over the container. Next, the container is engaged by activating the locking mechanism, ensuring it is securely attached to the spreader. Using the hoisting controls, the operator lifts the container from the ship and transports it horizontally to the designated location on shore or to another part of the vessel. Once in position, the container is carefully lowered and released. In automated systems, the operator mainly controls the final lowering and the locking/unlocking of the spreader. This sequence is repeated for each container, allowing efficient and safe loading of the vessel. What you see behind me is North America's first fully automated container terminal at Long Beach. Handling up to 10,000 containers daily, with 3,000 to 5,000 lifts per shift, the facility supports increasingly larger ships with cutting-edge automation. Every component from stacking cranes to automated guided vehicles is networked, connected by 85 miles of fiber, 2 data centers, and hundreds of switches, all running on IP. Vector and Cisco collaborated for 2 years on integration, configuration, and testing. This state-of-the-art technology enables faster vessel turnaround and ensures seamless, highly efficient terminal operations. APM Terminals Mobile is a modern, fast-growing gateway on America's Gulf Coast, designed to move cargo forward faster in today's rapidly evolving global trade environment. Strategically located in the port of Mobile, Alabama, just 3 hours from open sea, the terminal provides a cost-effective and highly connected entry point to major U.S. markets. With access to 5 Class 1 rail systems and major highways, it serves as a true fast lane for regional and national logistics. The terminal features advanced automation, a 45-foot draft, and a 2,000-foot wharf equipped with 2 STS cranes capable of handling post-Panamax vessels. Ongoing expansion will add more cranes and significantly increase yard capacity. APM Terminals Mobile also provides efficient reefer handling, expert maintenance services, and a streamlined truck appointment and gate system that reduces delays and emissions. Alongside its developing intermodal container transfer facility, the terminal demonstrates long-term commitment through major investments. Above all, its strong safety culture, skilled workforce, and exceptional customer service set it apart, ensuring reliable performance today and readiness for future trade demands. APM Terminals container handling services are driven by a constant commitment to finding new ways to better serve customers while keeping the global supply chain moving. Along the Gulf Coast gateway of Mobile, Alabama, the terminal has quickly emerged as a highly efficient and cost-effective alternative for bulk cargo movers since opening in 2008. Many customers have discovered the advantages of using container vessels to transport large or oversized items that previously One of the key challenges for landside clients is managing out-of-gauge cargo, whether over-wide, over-height, or overweight, while still meeting state road regulations and permitting requirements. APM Terminals identified this as an opportunity to add value by offering specialized stripping and stuffing services directly at the terminal. This capability has become a game changer, enabling large freight movers to handle complex loads more efficiently. Since 2015, the terminal has actively partnered with shippers and logistics providers to expand this service, making it an integral part of its operations. Customers benefit by moving products legally over public roads while avoiding costly permits, double handling at third-party warehouses, and additional insurance or transport arrangements. Steamship lines also gain from reduced tonnage assessment fees. Through these advanced services, APM Terminals continues to deliver world-class, end-to-end supply chain solutions. APM Terminals stands at the pulse of the global supply chain, serving as a vital artery that keeps international trade moving efficiently. Driven by a spirit of cooperation and partnership, the company delivers a globally integrated network of port terminals and inland services. With over 50 ports and terminals, more than 3 inland facilities, and 22,000 employees across 63 countries on 5 continents, APM Terminals supports every major trade lane. The company combines efficient infrastructure, visionary technology, and operational excellence while maintaining an unwavering commitment to safety, environmental responsibility, and core values. In the Americas region, APM terminals operate strategically located facilities across the U.S. East Coast, Gulf Coast, West Coast, and Latin America. Beyond container handling, it provides bulk, general cargo, and cruise ship services, supported by an expanding inland network. This strong regional presence enables APM terminals to help customers reach deeper into key supply chains and achieve sustainable growth. The floating instrument platform, known as FLIP, is a unique 335-foot research vessel operated by the Marine Physical Laboratory at Scripps Institution of Oceanography. During its 50th anniversary cruise in the Pacific Ocean, the ship begins its dramatic transition from horizontal to vertical by flooding its stern ballast tanks. Owned by the Office of Naval Research, FLIP remains afloat in a stable upright position to support advanced studies in acoustics, oceanography, meteorology, and marine mammal observation. Demonstrating its enduring value to the scientific community, the RAM SingFlex system represents a major advancement in container handling technology, providing terminals with an efficient, flexible, and cost-effective method of performing tandem lifts without requiring dual trolley cranes. Designed specifically for use with conventional single-hoist ship-to-shore cranes, the SingFlex tandem headblock enables operators to significantly increase their lift rate, reduce cycle times, and expand operational capabilities while using existing crane infrastructure. Its unique configuration, combining advanced mechanical design with intelligent control mechanisms, allows the system to handle a wide range of container combinations with remarkable precision. To begin with, the SingFlex unit is built around a robust tandem headblock frame. This headblock functions as the central connecting structure between the crane's main hoist and the pair of RAM twin-lift spreaders attached beneath it. Each headblock is equipped with two RAM separating twin-lift spreaders, giving operators complete flexibility in handling 20 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, and 45 feet containers. In standard mode, the system works like a conventional single-lift spreader, picking up individual containers with the typical speed and reliability expected in modern port operations. However, the true capability of the SingFlex emerges when the terminal activates tandem lift mode, enabling the simultaneous handling of 2 times 40 feet containers, 2 times 45 feet containers, or 4 times 20 feet containers. This greatly improves the crane's productivity, allowing more containers to be moved per cycle. One of the most impressive features of the SingFlex system is its ability to perform gap adjustment between the twin-lift spreaders. The headblock can adjust the distance between the two spreaders from 0 to 1,600 millimeters in just 16 seconds, making it easy to match the spacing required for various container configurations. This adjustment is completed through powerful onboard hydraulic actuators that extend or retract the spreaders as needed. As a result, the operator can adapt to different stowage patterns on the vessel without interrupting the workflow or switching equipment. During live operations in the port environment, the SingFlex demonstrates smooth, coordinated movements that are essential for high-volume container terminals. When working in tandem lift mode, each spreader is capable of lifting a single container independently if required. For example, the operator can first lift one 40-feet container while still in tandem configuration, placing it quickly and efficiently before preparing for the full TWIN 40 lift. This ability to perform a single lift while in tandem mode helps maintain continuous workflow and minimizes delays caused by uneven container positioning on the vessel's deck. Furthermore, the headblock system incorporates several critical alignment functions, ensuring each container is lifted with accuracy. Using a combination of hydraulic and mechanical components, the operator can make real-time adjustments to skew, angular orientation, and longitudinal offset. These adjustments compensate for misalignment between container rows or variations in vessel stowage, guaranteeing that both containers in a tandem lift connect properly to the spreader twist locks. All adjustments are made using onboard mechanisms, eliminating the need for manual intervention or auxiliary equipment. This greatly enhances the safety and reliability of the lifting process, particularly in challenging weather or sea conditions. Another essential operational element is the docking station system, which allows the crane to switch seamlessly between tandem and single lift modes. When the terminal needs to transition from handling two 40-feet containers to performing a conventional single lift, the operator simply moves the spreaders into the docking station. Once secured, the system disconnects the auxiliary mechanisms used for tandem operations, enabling the spreader to function exactly like a standard single lift device. The changeover is quick and efficient, ensuring that the crane remains versatile throughout its duty cycle. After docking, the operator can carry out single lift movements, such as lifting 2 times 20 feet containers or a single 40 feet container as required. The SingFlex system's reliability and operational simplicity result in a major performance benefit, a significant increase in lifts per hour. By reducing the number of crane cycles needed to move containers from ship to shore, terminals can improve vessel turnaround times and optimize resource allocation. This productivity gain is especially valuable for ports handling large container ships, where efficient moves per hour directly impact overall operational cost and throughput capacity. In practical use at the port, the SingFlex shows exceptional control as it transitions between operations. When lifting a combination of containers, the operator begins by aligning the head block above the vessel's bay. Using the crane joystick controls, the two spreaders are lowered simultaneously. Once the twist locks engage the container corner castings, the head block automatically balances the load between the two spreaders, ensuring equal weight distribution. If any fine adjustment is necessary, the operator uses the onboard controls to modify the skew or angle before initiating the lift. The crane hoist then raises the containers cleanly from the deck, and the SingFlex system maintains synchronized movement as the load is transferred to the quay. Upon arrival at the designated yard or truck position, the operator gently lowers the containers and disengages the twist locks. When in tandem mode, this sequence is completed for 2 containers at once, effectively doubling output without compromising safety or accuracy. If the workflow requires switching back to single lift mode, the head block guides the spreaders into the docking station, completing a smooth transition that prepares the crane for its next task. Overall, the RAM SingFlex Twin 40 head block represents a transformative solution for container terminals seeking higher efficiency without the high investment cost of dual trolley cranes. It combines precision engineering, flexible operation, and rapid configuration changes into a single integrated system capable of supporting a wide range of container handling scenarios. Through its advanced lifting, alignment, and adjustment capabilities, the SingFlex offers operators the power to significantly increase lifts per hour, enhance operational responsiveness, and maintain uninterrupted performance in demanding port environments.